Photosynthesis, a silent yet powerful miracle. We breathe every moment. But who renews the air? Who refreshes the oxygen? Who established this flawless system that works without stopping for even a second? Sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide combined. Who calculates this? Plants work like factories, yet they produce no pollution. So how does this system function so perfectly? Verily, all things have we created in proportion and measure. In this video, you will discover the hidden workings of photosynthesis. You will realize that this system, gifted to our world, is one of the greatest miracles. If you're ready, let's take a closer look at this silent yet perfectly designed miracle. Hold your breath for a moment. Now think. If the system that produces this air did not exist, what would happen? All living beings on Earth breathe. But what is the source of oxygen in the air? Trees, plants, and those silent factories invisible to the eye. Thou seest the earth barren and lifeless, but when we pour down rain on it, it is stirred to life, it swells, and it puts forth every kind of beautiful growth. The fascinating system of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, a silent yet continuously functioning miracle. Plants, by being given the ability to absorb sunlight, produce food and oxygen with water and carbon dioxide. So how does this system work so flawlessly? Just as a factory is commanded to process raw materials and produce goods, the same duty has been given to leaves. But leaves perfectly accomplish something that factories cannot. They provide us with clean energy and oxygen as a gift. The vital substances in this vast pharmacy of the universe, which are measured on the scales of divine determining and decree of the all-wise and pre-eternal one, can only come into existence through a boundless wisdom, infinite knowledge, and all-encompassing will. What if photosynthesis did not exist? If photosynthesis did not exist, there would be no oxygen in the air. Carbon dioxide would accumulate, and living beings would suffocate. The green cover would disappear, and the earth would turn into a barren planet. And when we send down from the sky rain, charted with blessing, and we produce therewith gardens and grain for harvest. Yet Allah made the earth habitable and gave us every breath as a reason to be grateful. Take a deep breath and reflect. Now think again. Every breath you take is a result of this flawless system. Is photosynthesis just a scientific process? Or is it the silent operation of the perfect order created by Allah? Everything in this world introduces us to our Lord. So take another look at nature and reflect. If you enjoyed the video, share and leave your comments. Subscribe for more discoveries